Coinbase Wallet tutorial. Hello everyone, I welcome you back into another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Coinbase Wallet. Okay, so Coinbase Wallet is basically an add-on or an extension that you can get on your Google Chrome. So basically you need to have an account on Coinbase. And once you do that, Coinbase is obviously your crypto exchange application, and you can download Coinbase Wallet on your iOS, Android, Brave, and even your Chrome. So it's an extension for Chrome that you can get, and I would definitely urge users out there to use this for yourself because trust me, it works absolutely incredibly. The wallet address is there. You can add it to your Chrome in the easiest way, and once you've added it, all you're going to need to do from there is just log in with your account and you're good to go. And you can basically buy crypto, send crypto. There's decentralized financing. You can also add in NFTs and, actually mint them through your Coinbase wallet. And it's a good wallet to work with. It's just like your MetaMask wallet, but I would prefer using Coinbase wallet, you know, because just because the features are much more efficient and much more better in my opinion. So all it's going to ask you to do is either create a new wallet or, you already have a wallet. So, you're going to first copy the things in your wallet. Like say, here's the thing of your wallet. You're going to copy this and paste it somewhere else. And, you're going to go over here and you're going to click on the first and the last word. Okay. So, the first last word is mimic, last word is farm. So you're going to go to mimic and you're going to go to farm. And then you submit this. And obviously, if this is correct, they're going to tell you to create a password. So you are going to create a password real quick. And once you create a password, you're going to verify your password. And once you verify the password real quick, you're probably wondering, why is it not asking me my email or anything like that? Now, the reason for that is you don't really need an email. It's just going to give you the code, and when you're logging, it's, you can also claim stuff. So here you go. You buy, swap, bridge, send, receive, and that's your basic Coinbase wallet. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.